Hi, my name is Matt Mulcahy. I'm the Director of Business Development at ProSource, and today we're going to walk through installing the VMware Horizon Agent on a Mac. The first thing you'll do is navigate to view2fa.prosourcehosted.com. It's very important that you install the agent from our website, as there is a specific version that you downloaded. The first thing you'll do is click the Install VMware Horizon Client button, and it will download the package. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open it and walk through the terms and conditions. Drag the VMware Horizon Client icon into your Applications folder. To quickly access your Applications folder with the Finder application open, click Go and Applications. From here you'll see the Horizon Client. You can double click. You'll want to hit Open, as this is a trusted download. And the Horizon application is downloaded. There are instances where you will have to go to the Security pane under Security and Privacy, and full disk access. You'll need to unlock or enter a password for your thumbprint if you have a newer Mac device, and enable the VMware Horizon Client to have access to your full disk. Click Quit and reopen. Now once you log into Horizon, your disk redirection will work and you'll be able to access your local disk from the cloud desktop. For more VMware Horizon tips, visit our website or check out our VMware Horizon playlist.